So this is a soil moisture detection and automated watering process. So the purpose of this project is to decrease the human intervention and avoid the wastage of water. So this is how it works. So this is a soil moisture sensor which needs to be submerged in the soil. It senses the moisture level of the soil, and depending on the moisture level of the soil, the motor is turned on or it stays off. As you can see, now it's submerged in water, so there's sufficient moisture content, so the motor is turned off. Once I take it off water, you can see the motor is turned on because there's no moisture content, and once there's enough moisture content, it turns off immediately. You can see again, once I lift it, the motor turns on, and once I put it back, it turns off, which shows that when there's enough of the moisture content in the soil, it automatically turns off. So this is again a part of the soil moisture sensor which needs to be kept away from the soil and water, because that could corrupt the data it receives from the soil moisture sensor. So it has 4 terminals: ground, VCC, ground, D0 and A0. We use the VCC, ground and A0. So the A0 terminal is used to transfer the data it receives from this soil moisture sensor to this Arduino Uno board which we are using, and this Arduino Uno board is powered through the USB cable through the laptop, and we use this relay to provide power to the relay and battery to provide power to the motor. So here there are 3 terminals. We connect the positive of the battery to the normally open terminal, and positive of the motor to the common terminal, and the normally closed is left as it is. So this terminal acts like the terminal is usually normally open until a signal is sent and the condition is changed. So here again it has 3 terminals: VCC, ground and in. So the VCC and ground is connected to 5 volts and ground respectively, and the in is connected to the 6th digital pin. This side we have the analog pins, and these are the digital pins. So this is the code now. Now here water is a variable. So the pin mode is for setting the output or input accordingly, and here we use the water. This line is used to read the data from the soil, that is the soil moisture reads the data, and the moisture level is stored in the water variable, and if the water variable is high, that is the water is like up to the mark which is sufficient for the plant, then we give the low value. We give the low value to the relay. That means the motor stays turned off. Else, if the water value is low, we provide the relay with a high value. We provide when the water level is low in the soil, we provide high value to the relay, which turns on the motor. So this is how it is. We have the component, and the circuit diagram is this. This is a 9-volt battery. This is a single channel 5-volt relay. This is a submersible DC pump. This is a soil moisture sensor. This is the Arduino Uno board, and these are the connections. So yeah, this is it. Once again, you can see it's dipped in the soil. It's dipped in the water. It's supposed to be dipped in the soil. As I don't have the facility, I'm using this.